Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to drive this kind of AC motor drivers with STM family. First of all, this kind of microcontrollers not support RS485 protocol, so you need to use interface ICs to create connection between STM and driver. Before entering the video, I recommend that comfort to the Google and study the basics of RS485. I have PENTAX inverter here, but don't worry about your inverter, everything should be the same for all kind of inverters. I wanted to send something to the inverter and I should find sending frame and it should be somewhere here. Yeah, I find that. Alright, this is master station right command frame. Let's ignore frame header for now. We talk about this later. We have 1 byte slave address here, it should be sent first. RS485 can handle multiple slaves, so every slave should have a unique ID. Next byte is write command. If you want to write something on the slave, this byte should be 6 in hexadecimal. And if you request data from a slave, this byte should be 3 in hexadecimal too. Every functions have a specified address and this is 2 byte. Assume the address of some function is 0x2003. Here we send 20 in hexadecimal once and then send 3 in hexadecimal too. Also function data follow same rule. Final byte describes CRC code, which calculated with both microcontroller and slave to check any error exists or not exists. Let's check it again. 1 byte for slave ID, 1 byte write command, 2 byte function address, 2 byte for function data, and 2 byte for CRC check code, and totally we should send 8 byte to inverter. Start with creating new project. Enable asynchronous word and change baud rate to which one is coincide with your inverter. For enable transmit mode on max 485 IC, we should set RE and DA pin as high. For this purpose, select one pin as output. Alright, our sending frame is complete. Add TX buffer to sending frame and then run and debug the code. I hope you enjoy and learn something from this video. Feel free to write comments and share and subscribe my channel.